How to start making money from affiliate marketing for beginners 2023. Imagine all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Sounds good? Welcome to affiliate marketing. According to Statista, business spending on affiliate marketing will hit $8.2 billion in the US by 2023. Start today, and you'll be in a prime position to take advantage of that. In this video I will show you 7 simple steps to make money with affiliate marketing. This is Norbipol TV. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service in return for a commission on the sales you generate. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price, but can occasionally be a fixed amount. How much money can I make as an affiliate marketer? The simple answer is that there is no limit. It depends on your niche and the amount of work you put in. The most successful affiliate marketers make 6 or 7 figures a month. For example, Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income made over $100,000 in affiliate commissions in December 2021. Ryan Robinson, another affiliate marketer, reported over $19,000 in affiliate revenue in October 2022. Another successful affiliate website, The Wirecutter, made an estimated $10 million in revenue, and was eventually sold to the New York Times for $30 million. Keep in mind though that these people have done an excellent job building their brand. It's taken them years of hard work to reach this level. If you're just starting out, your checks might look more like this for a while. You need to manage your expectations. You won't earn the big bucks right off the bat, but don't let this discourage you. The success of others tells you that with hard work, time, and the right knowledge, you too can potentially reach those levels. How to get started with affiliate marketing? Follow these 7 simple steps. Step 1. Decide on a platform. Theoretically, you can do affiliate marketing on any platform. Even Instagram works. However, it's much easier to build an audience and increase your affiliate sales via one of 2 channels, a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog today is relatively easy and cheap. There are plenty of tutorials online that teach you how to get started. The best part? It'll likely only cost you a few dollars per month. Once your site is up, optimize it for search engines so that you have a better chance of ranking. From there, you're free to add affiliate links in your content. There is an art to doing this, which we'll cover later in this guide. The other platform is YouTube. Creating and uploading content to YouTube is free, which makes it ideal for many people. Optimize your videos for SEO, and include affiliate links in your description. Step 2. Choose your niche. Let's be honest, if you're starting a blog today, you're facing a ton of competition. Statista estimates that the number of bloggers in the US will reach 31.7 million by 2020. To stand the best chance of success, niche down. Choose a topic that focuses on a specific category. For example, the topic of food is an enormous category. Rather than tackling that, try something more specific, like grilling food. Keeping your topics tight can help you build a more focused audience and potentially help you rank higher in search engines. That's what I did when I built my first site. Instead of talking about dance or hip-hop, I decided to limit myself to just breakdancing. Despite not knowing anything about SEO back then, I managed to rank for a few key terms and generate 3,000 organic visits per month. Later on, as you cover the bulk of this category and build traffic to these pages, you can expand into other areas. Now, if you're going to be the main content creator, choose something you're interested in. Many affiliate sites die due to a lack of consistency. So at the very least, if you're passionate about a topic, you'll find it much easier to press on when the going gets tough. Step 3. Find affiliate programs to join. There are 3 types of affiliate programs to choose from. 1. High-paying, low-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for niche products with high payouts. For example, ConvertKit's affiliate program pays almost $700 per month if you send just 80 customers their way. However, as they sell CRM software for small business owners, there's a limited pool of buyers. There also tends to be more competition for programs with high commissions. Since you're probably just starting, it'll be quite challenging to make a meaningful amount of money competing against skilled marketers with deep pockets. 2. Low-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with low payouts but mass appeal. For example, take PS4 games. Lots of people play PS4, but the average cost of a game is only around $50, and affiliate commissions are usually in the single digits. This means you'll earn $2 to $3 per sale if you're lucky. 3. High-paying, high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with mass appeal, which also pay high commissions. One example is credit cards. Everyone needs a credit card, and most people stay with the company for years, sometimes even decades. The downside of these types of products is that they attract affiliate marketers with lots of expertise and deep pockets. Some also use spammy tactics that you just can't compete with. Step 4. Create great content. If you want your affiliate site to succeed, you need to create high-quality content where your affiliate links fit naturally. Here's an example. Tim Ferriss interviewed 100+ famous people and asked them this question: what purchase of $100 or less has most positively impacted your life in the last 6 months, or in recent memory? He published the answers in a blog post and included affiliate links to the products mentioned. Judging by the comments, his fans loved it. This is what you have to emulate when creating content for your affiliate site. Don't just blindly curate products from Amazon's best sellers. Go the extra mile to make sure your content solves the visitor's problem. How? If you're doing reviews, actually purchase the product and test it. This is what the Wirecutter did, which explains their success. If you don't have money to buy every single product, you can always start with what you have at home. For example, if you had a tech blog, you could create reviews on the gadgets you own. Step 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate site. You've created great content. The next step is to get more people to read it, so they will click on your affiliate links. Here are 3 traffic strategies to consider. 1. Paid traffic. This is where you pay for traffic to your site. You can do this using PPC ads. The advantage of paid traffic is that the moment you start paying, you get traffic. However, there are some downsides. First, running ads will dig into your profits. It's quite normal for advertisers to lose money before they make it if they ever do. You need to be realistic about how long it takes to optimize a paid traffic campaign. Secondly, once you stop paying for ads, your traffic will stop. Generally speaking, ads are a great traffic strategy if you're part of a high-paying affiliate program and can make the numbers work. But if you're completely new to paid marketing and have no marketing budget, or are working with lower commission programs like Amazon Associates, then it might not be such a great idea. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing pages to rank high in search engines like Google. For as long as you can rank high in the search engines for your target keywords, you'll get consistent and passive traffic. On the most basic level, SEO is about understanding what your target customers are searching for, creating content around those topics, blog posts, product pages, etc., taking care of the technical stuff to push these pages higher in the search engines, which includes link building. 3. Build an email list. Email lists allow you to communicate with your readers anytime. Use them to tell fans about new content and keep them coming back to your site for more. This leads to more affiliate clicks and sales. You can even send affiliate email promotions to your list directly. To build an email list, you need to persuade the readers on your site to sign up. That means offering something valuable. Step 6. Get clicks on your affiliate links. Just because you have an amazing piece of content doesn't mean people will click on your affiliate links. There are a few things you need to consider. 1. Link placement. If all your affiliate links are at the bottom of the page where people rarely scroll, clicks will be few and far between. On the other hand, make every other word a link in your introduction, and your content will look spammy. You need to balance link placement with the other factors below. 2. Context. Let's say you were writing an article on the best kitchen knives for under $50. Your introduction probably shouldn't look like this: "Today, I'm reviewing the best chef knives." The links look out of context and spammy. This would make more sense: "Today, I'm reviewing 3 different chef knives you can buy on Amazon for under $50. These are product name 1, product name 2, and product name 3. 3. Callouts. Using callouts like buttons, tables, and boxes can help attract your readers' attention and make the post more schemable. For example, the Wirecutter uses eye-catching boxes with product links anytime they share a top pick. Step 7. Convert clicks to sales. In affiliate marketing, 2 conversions need to take place for you to make money. The first conversion is the click to the product page. You're 100% in control of this action. Use the tactics above to improve your chances of getting that click. The second conversion is the visitor purchasing the product. In the case of affiliate marketing, the merchant controls the checkout, and their conversion rates are out of your control. The trick is to play the game to your advantage and look for merchants with programs that convert well. Here are a few ways to find them. 1. Public income reports. If people are making decent money from an affiliate program, then it's likely that the product converts well. How do you know if people are making money? Look at public income reports where bloggers publicly reveal how much money they're making from their affiliate deals. You can find these reports on Google. For example, if you search for income report Amazon affiliate, you'll see a few blog posts showing how bloggers have made money from Amazon affiliates. 2. Ask questions. If there isn't much information available about an affiliate program you want to join, sign up and ask questions. For example, you might want to find out what their average conversion rates are, or a ballpark figure of their top earners' monthly commissions. This can help you figure out if the affiliate program is worth promoting. 3. Use your intuition. Sometimes, it's best to go with your gut feeling. If the program or product you're checking out feels off, or if you would personally never recommend the product to a friend or family member, then don't promote it. Finally, no affiliate marketing wheels were reinvented here. These are the fundamentals, and applying them will get you off on the right foot. Just don't expect life-changing income or the freedom to quit your 9-to-5 overnight. Affiliate marketing takes time. Focus first on making your first affiliate sale. As your site grows, set new goals, and continue experimenting. This is how to build up a site that eventually generates a decent income. This is Noorbipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.